So it's been a few days since I made some videos because the weather's been terrible. We went to the post office to send off some drawings, me and Filipa, and I wrote this poem about going to the post office. We walked to the post office to send a little watercolour to her mother. She picked accidentally the wrong envelope. It was unclear. She closed it and there was no going back. €12, said the woman, obviously in Portuguese. There was no going back. It was an international envelope. It was disgusting. They wouldn't let my Filipa change it. So she asked for the red book. The dangerous red book of complaints. The woman gave her a form to fill out. It was a suggestions form. Nothing gets past my Filipa. The manager tried to talk her out of it, but my Filipa takes no rubbish. She demanded gently the red book. Nothing gets past my Filipa. Eventually the red book came out, and my Filipa went in for justice. I'm proud of my Filipa. Nothing gets past my Filipa. She's kind and strong, with an iron fist.
De designação do conteúdo. Isto, enquanto isto já é feito à mão, antigamente era feito à mão, agora é feito no computador.
Ok.
Não podem preencher isto à mão, tem que ficar tudo preenchidinho, porque senão eles devolvem a sua encomenda.
Tem que ser no computador.
Tudo preenchido no
PDF,
computador.
então.
Exatamente. Portanto, é uma página simulante.
But that woman was really nice. That was the first time we went to the post office, and she explained that because of Brexit, there was a big procedure to go over in order to send 2 pieces of paper over the water. So if you liked that video, please like, please subscribe. Goodbye for now, and ciao.